I am Dr. Prachi Singh, Assistant Professor Mathematics, Government VYT PG, Autonomous College, Durg, Chhattisgarh. Today we are discussing on the topic multi-stage decision making of unit decision making of paper fuzzy sets and their applications of MSc 4th semester mathematics. As the name suggested, multi-stages decision making means decision comes not from one single stage. There are more stages. Sometimes decision is a relay race. That is, it is processed in some stages. Output of the first stage is the input of second stage, and so on. A required goal is not achieved by a single decision problem, but by solving a sequence of decision problems. So, the theory of this multi-stage decision making is a part of general dynamic system. The most important theory for this is dynamic programming. In 1970, Bellman and Jade formulated fuzzy dynamic programming, which is based on a finite state fuzzy automata. In a scheme of fuzzified version of dynamic programming at any time t, at is equal to fuzzy input state. So it is a fuzzy set on set of input states of variables in capital X. Ct is equal to fuzzy internal state at time t. So it is a fuzzy set on set of output state at different times. F double dot z cross x to z. F is a function from z cross x to z is state transition function. Function between two states, two levels, two stages. The state transition function is defined as zt plus 1 is equal to f zt comma xt. Xt is the input at time t, zt is the output at time t, and zt plus 1 is the output at time t plus 1. Consider fuzzy inputs a0, a1 and so on, an minus 1 as constant and internal state Cn. What is it? N is t for any time t is equal to n. As fuzzy goal, then the decision d is equal to a0 intersection a1 intersection and so on, an minus 1 intersection Cn. That is d x0, x1 and so on, xn minus 1 is equal to max, min, a0, x0 and a1, x1 and so on, an minus 1, xn minus 1, cn, zn. To solve this dynamic problem, we have to apply principle of optimality. That states, principle of optimality says that an optimal decision sequence has the property that whatever the initial state and initial decision are, the remaining decision must constitute an optimal policy with regard to the state resulting from the first decision. It means the initial state and the initial decision R must constitute an optimal policy with regard to the state resulting from first decision. Applying the optimality principle, we have dx0, x1 and so on, xn minus 1 is equal to max, min, a0, x0, a1, x1 and so on, an minus 2 x n minus 2 comma c n minus 1 z n minus 1, where c n minus 1, where c n minus 1 z n minus 1 is equal to max, min, a n minus 1, x n minus 1, c n, z n. Repeating this backward iteration, we obtain the set of n recurrence equations. Its general form is c n minus k, z n minus k is equal to max, min, a n minus k, x n minus k, c n minus k plus 1 and z n minus k plus 1 for all k is equal to 1, 2 and so on up to n. Hence, the optimal solution x0, x1 and so on xn minus 1 of decisions can be obtained by maximizing values in x, k, n minus k. We give an example followed by this method. Now explaining the multi-stage decision making with an example. Let x is equal to x1, x2. There are two alternatives and three internal states z is equal to z1, z2, z3 with straight transition function f z cross x2 z is z1, z2, z3 and x1, x2 in columns. This function is defined as this matrix. Assume that n is equal to 2, total number of stages is equal to 2 and fuzzy goal at t is equal to 2 is given by C2 is equal to 0.3 Z1 plus 1 Z2 plus 0.8 Z3. Fuzzy constant at time t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 1 are A0 and A1. It is also given. Solution. To solve this decision problem, we need to find a sequence x0, x1 of input states for which the value of max, min, A0, x0, A1, x1, C2, z2 is obtained. Applying the first backward iteration for t is equal to 1, we obtained C1. T is equal to 1, so C1. Find C1 for Z1, for Z2 and for Z3 by formula max, min, A1, x1 and in next bracket A1, x2, C2, z2. Here also C2, z2. This z2 is with respect to x1 and this z2 is with respect to x2. So 1 A1 x1 is 1, तो 1 हो गया. C2 z2, z2 की वैल्यू पुट किया तो f z1 x1. मीन फार्मूला से मीन 0.6, इसकी वैल्यू 0.6 C2 और इसकी वैल्यू पुट किया तो ये हुआ f z1 x2. By straight transition function f z1 x1 is equal to z1 and f z1 x2 is equal to z2. So ये हो गया z2 सॉरी c2 z1 और ये हो गया c2 z2. c2 z1 is equal to 0.3, c2 z2 is equal to 1. So min 1.3 and min 0.61. Max is equal to 0.6. Similarly, we can calculate for C1 Z2 it will be 0.8 and C1 Z3 it will be 0.6. So C1 is equal to 0.6 Z1 plus 0.8 Z2 plus 0.6 Z3. By maximizing the expression min A1 x1 comma C2 f Z1 x1, we find the best decision x cap for each state Z1 belongs to Z at time t is equal to 1. Z1 because t is equal to 1. Z1, if we find the result Z1, then we have to start with x2. If we find result Z2, we have to start with x1. if we have to find out result Z3, then we have to start with x2. x2 is chosen. x2 कहाँ से आया? x2 आप देख रहे हैं कि जब हम z1 निकालते हैं तो 0.6 आता है. तो 0.6 किस ब्रैकेट से आया? आपने देखा कि ये सेकेंड ब्रैकेट से आता है. सो सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में है x2. सो यहाँ हमने लिखा x2, 0.6 x2. उसी तरीके से फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट से आता है 0.8. सो हमने लिखा x1. फिर उसी तरीके से 0.6 ये भी सेकेंड ब्रैकेट से आता है. सो हमने लिखा x2. तो ये हुआ x2, x1 एंड x2. Applying the second backward iteration for t is equal to 0, we obtained C0 Z1 is equal to max min A0 x1 C1 Z1, फिर min A0 x2 C1 Z1. When we calculate it, we get 0.8. Similarly, C0 Z2 is equal to 0.6 and C0 Z3 is also 0.6. Hence, C0 is equal to 0.8 for Z1, 0.6 for Z2 and 0.6 for Z3 also. The best decision x bar at t is equal to 0 is Z0 x bar. अब हम देखेंगे कि Z1 में जो 0.8 आया है वो पहले ब्रैकेट से आया है या फिर दूसरे ब्रैकेट से आया है. यदि दूसरे ब्रैकेट से आया है तो हमको लिखना है x2. यदि पहले और दूसरे दोनों ब्रैकेट्स से आया है, पहले और दूसरे दोनों ब्रैकेट से आया है, तो हमको लिखना है x1 और x2 and so on. So then the initial state is Z1. The maximizing decision is to apply action x2 followed by action x1. For initial states Z2 and Z3, the maximizing decision will be x1 or x2. It means we can apply x1 or we can apply x2 followed by action x2 or x1. And the degree to which the goal is satisfied will be 0.8 when initial state is Z1, 0.6 when initial state is Z2 and 0.6 when initial state is Z3. Hence, we see that we find the result for C0 last and C1 firstly.